So in reality, all it does is to just color the surface of your lips. It does not target the root cause. Hi guys, today I'm talking about lip pigmentation, dark lips, and it's something that bothers a lot of black people. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Lip pigmentation, what is it? Lip pigmentation is a darkening of the lips, and it's usually caused when there's an injury to the lip which triggers the melanocytes in our lips. Melanocytes are the cells that are responsible for color or responsible for pigmentation in people. And anytime there's a trigger or anytime there's an injury to any skin surface, the melanocytes are triggered, and then that causes it to produce more melanin in order to protect the skin. So now you might be wondering why lip pigmentation is more prominent amongst people of color than it is with Caucasian and white people. It's because people of color have larger melanocytes. Our melanocytes are of a larger size, and with that they are easily triggered with anything that affects or irritates our skin. It triggers these melanocytes, which causes them to produce melanin. So that's the reason why it is more prominent amongst people of color. Now let's talk about the causes of lip pigmentation. There are so many causes of them, and I'm going to list a few. The first one is genetics. It can run in your family. So if you have a history of dark lips in your family, it can be a result of your genetic makeup. And with that, if it is genetic, it's actually really difficult to treat because we cannot go to your genes and alter your genes or do any changes with your genes. So genetically, yes, lip pigmentation can run in a family. The second cause of lip pigmentation in people is our lifestyle. So one is sun exposure. If you keep exposing yourself to the sunlight, to sun rays without protecting it using a sunscreen, it can produce free radicals, and free radicals are responsible for skin darkening and aging. The second cause of lip pigmentation in lifestyle is smoking or chewing tobacco. So if you are a frequent smoker or someone who chews tobacco all the time, you are definitely going to suffer from lip pigmentation. Another cause of lip pigmentation is vitamin deficiency. Yes, so if you're deficient in vitamins like vitamin B12 or iron, it can manifest itself or it can show itself through the darkening of your lips. The next cause of lip pigmentation is an allergic reaction to some cosmetics. That is, some ingredients in some cosmetics like toothpaste, or even your lotion or any kind of cosmetic that you use around the house. If there's an ingredient in it that your body is reacting to, it can lead to lip pigmentation. The next cause of lip pigmentation is the use of anti-malarial drugs. Yes, anti-malarial drugs can cause lip pigmentation in people, and also the prolonged use of cosmetics that contain hydroquinone. So hydroquinone, we all know, is a lightening agent, but if you continuously use it, it can result in darkening of your lips and darkening of some other sides of your body. Now the last cause of lip pigmentation is called Lichen Planus. Now Lichen Planus is a reaction or is a condition in which there is a collection of cells in between the upper layer of skin and the lower layer of skin. So if you have a collection of cells in between your epidermis and your dermis, it can lead to damage to the lower parts of the epidermis and cause lip pigmentation. What are the remedies or treatments for lip pigmentation? So the first thing I would say is, if your lip pigmentation is caused by genetics, it's going to be difficult to treat because we cannot go into your genes to alter your genes. So with that, you can use some topical treatments to control the effect or the pigmentation that appears on your lips. But if it's lifestyle or from any other thing in your lifestyle, these remedies can help. If you're a frequent smoker, you need to stop smoking or chewing tobacco. And everybody, it's something that is really, really well known, but we need to remind people that if you're smoking, if you're a habitual smoker or someone who chews tobacco all the time, you need to stop it in order to reduce the effects of lip pigmentation. Another treatment or remedy you can use is, if you wear lipsticks, you have to avoid long wear lipsticks, and also avoid using liquid matte lipsticks. So these lipsticks have an ingredient in them called lead, which only isn't carcinogenic but also causes lip pigmentation. So if you wear lipsticks all the time, especially liquid matte lipsticks, it can lead to lip pigmentation. The cosmetic industry of America hasn't reviewed their cosmetic license in the last 80 years. So there are a lot of ingredients in our cosmetics that we use that are that are affecting our health, that are affecting our entire life. So if you are someone who wears lipsticks, you need to ensure that you don't use the liquid matte lipsticks, or avoid wearing lipsticks for a very long time. And at the close of the day, make sure that you clean off your lipstick to the last grain. You need to clean it off till there is no lipstick or lipstick color left on your lip. Another treatment for lip pigmentation or remedy is to stop licking your lips frequently. If you're a frequent lip licker, you need to stop it or reduce it, because licking your lips frequently can lead to dryness of your lips and then trigger the melanocytes, which will also lead to more lip pigmentation or dark lips. You can use lip balms that contain SPF. You are supposed to use lip balm that contains SPF, whether you're suffering from lip pigmentation or not. You need SPF in everything you do, as long as you're stepping out during the day. So using lip balms that contain SPF is a really good treatment or remedy. Another treatment for lip pigmentation is by trying chemical peels. Chemical peels like lactic acid peel, glycolic acid peel. This can help to clear off the upper layer of the skin that is hyperpigmented, that is dark. So using these peels can also clear off lip pigmentation. So when you're using topical products to treat lip pigmentation, you have to look out for ingredients like Kojic dipalmitate and not kojic acid. Kojic dipalmitate is an ester of kojic acid, and it is safer, it is less irritating, and is better for your skin on the lip than kojic acid. You should also look out for ingredients like alpha arbutin in 2%. Not more than that and not less than that. In 2% is just fine. It is less irritating and then can help exfoliate or clear off the dark skin that has accumulated on your lips. You should also look out for an ingredient like Tocopherol acetate, that is vitamin E. And vitamin E, we all know, can help in clearing off free radicals. Free radicals are molecules or sizes in the atmosphere that are generated by our skin as a result of exposure to sunlight. So tocopherol acetate, that is vitamin E, in any product that you use can also help clear lip pigmentation. If you're not able to get products that contain all these active ingredients, there are some home remedies you can try in clearing off lip pigmentation, and that is by making a DIY lip scrub. So with that, you can get some lemon oil, lemon juice, and then some sugar, either brown or white sugar. You mix into a thick paste and then you scrub on your lips for about 15 minutes and then you wash it off. Then after washing off the scrub, then you apply some honey, which will serve as a smoothing agent. The honey will smoothen out your skin after the scrub, and then you wash it off after 15 minutes. Then you use a lip balm with SPF before stepping out during the day. I'll make another video very soon. I'll make another video showing how you can make a DIY scrub, a DIY lip scrub to clear lip pigmentation. And now to the most talked about or the most popular or advertised ingredients or products in the black market is pink lip balm. So pink lip balm, do they work? What are they? And yeah, what are they? Pink lip balms are balms that are mostly manufactured or put together in the African market, mostly by small cosmetic formulators. And then we also have pink lip balm by Vaseline and some other high-known companies. But I want to talk about the ones that are made by small cosmetic formulators around us. Now, most of these ones, there are so many remedies on the internet. Some even talk about beetroot pink lip balm, some talk about carrots pink lip balm. There are so many things. But what I want to say about them is that these lip balms, they only color the surface of your lips. They do not target the root cause. And if you are suffering from lip pigmentation as a result of genetics, the pink lip balm will just color the surface of your lips, but the root cause of your dark lips will not be targeted. So that is all they do. And if you are suffering from the condition of Lichen Planus, the pink lip balm, like I said, all it does is to just color the surface of your lips. If it contains ingredients like the alpha arbutin, the tocopherol, the Kojic dipalmitate, that one is going to sink deep into your skin and then clear off the melanosome to the melanocytes that have produced the darkness that is appearing on your lips. But most of these pink lip balms that are sold or that are advertised around us, just colors the surface of your lips. It doesn't go deep. And I've seen some of them that say get permanent pink lips in 3 days, get permanent pink lips in 2 days, get permanent pink lips in 1 day or in 1 week. And I just keep asking myself, like, those going to use these ingredients, so are you saying that their cell turnover is just between 48 hours? No, your cell turnover takes between 4 to 8 weeks. And if you're using a product that is assuring you that when you apply on your skin, you're going to see a difference, you're going to see a reaction, you're going to see an improvement on your skin within 7 days, within 2 days, within 3 days, what I would say is that you should really stay far away from that, because those things contain harsh chemicals and they are going to affect you. They are going to affect you in the long run. I've come across a pink lip balm that was sold to me, and I could perceive the smell of hydroquinone in the pink lip balm. And this is something that is sold in our markets and people are rushing for it. You know, if you start using bleaching creams or skin lightening creams, definitely your skin parts of your skin are going to darken. And most of the time, those who sell these lightening or bleaching creams also sell pink lips balm, because like they say, your skin needs to have a uniform color, your lip is going to be darker than the rest of your body. You know, so many hyper reactions and so many reactions as a result of skin lightening and as a result of improper skin lightening, yes, can cause so many darkening and so many things. And you're going to get products from these same manufacturers who are going to just aggravate or just worsen your problem. So with the remedy that I would give is that you can try the homemade scrub and then get ingredients that contain the active ingredients that I mentioned, like the Kojic, dipalmitate, Tocopherol, acetate, alpha arbutin, yes, and then some others. There are some others. These ones will target the root cause of your pigmentation and then treat the pigmentation and lead to a pinker and softer lip. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video, share this video to your friends or to anybody that is interested or that is curious about pink lips or pink lips balm or anything that has to do with lip pigmentation. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.